Hi there, it's Chris Hamilton here with bookkeepingautomation.com and entermyinvoice.com. And we're into tip number 11 of bookkeeping marketing tips. Now, this isn't just for bookkeepers, it's for accountants too. So what I'd like to show you is tip number 11, which is the QuickBooks ProAdvisor, or going to Intuit's site and looking at their Find a Bookkeeper or Accounting option that's in there. So I'm in Canada, so I'm going to talk to this specifically about Canada, but I do have a link for the US site later on. I'll just run across as well. If you go to proadvisor.intuit.ca and you simply go to QuickBooks, and then when you go in there, you're going to see something that says QuickBooks Online Account. And when you click on that, it brings you to a section that allows you to get yourself listed on the Find an Accountant site or Find a Bookkeeper site that Intuit has. So you see it right here. Now, the other thing I want to show is that when you actually put Find a Bookkeeper in Google, if you have the auto fill option on, literally the first thing that drops down when you're doing it is Find a Bookkeeper, and then it goes QuickBooks. So it is probably one of the best searched terms, at least I would say in North America, where I'm based. I'm based in Calgary. And the one thing that you see is the top arrow is pointing to how to find an accountant. That's paid for results. So the first thing that pops up is something from Intuit, and then as the second arrow shows, it's the organic results, and that is also an Intuit site, which makes QuickBooks. So basically, it's a great way to get found. So when you click on either one of those, in Canada at least, you get to this Find an Accountant site. And then what you do is you punch in the area that you're looking for and you hit search. And what comes back is a list of a bunch of accountants. Now, what I'd like to inform you about on this is that by becoming a pro advisor for QuickBooks and getting onto this site, this is a way that QuickBooks will send you leads. So I've got a couple of clients that get 2 to 3 very qualified sales leads through this site on a monthly basis. So think about it this way: if you get 2 to 3, so say you get 3, let's say you close 2, that's 2 a month over a 12-month period. You got 24 new clients that you'll probably keep for a long time, and that just will add up and up and up. So it's free to join. And it's great because you're getting promoted. Now, the one thing, though, that I did notice when I went to this site is if you look down the right-hand side, there's a lot of these accountants have 0 reviews. So put yourself in the shoes of someone that's looking for a bookkeeper that does QuickBooks. They're pushed here, they put their city in, they hit search, and they see all these people here that can provide the service. But there's no reviews. Now, do you want to stand out? Here's what you do. You ask someone to review for you. So the reason being is 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as a personal recommendation. So what you do is you copy the link for your profile. Then what you do is you send it to your clients and you say, can you write me a review? If you want, you can use this and write a blurb for them that they can use, that they can copy and paste and put in there. So you make it less effort for them. And that way you'll get a bunch of reviews. So stay on top of that. Every time you got clients coming on, ask them that you want to get a review from them for the Intuit QuickBooks ProAdvisor listing that you have. And the other thing too, so, I did some searching. Depending on where you are, you're going to have to take a look around. But in the US, you go to quickbooks.intuit.com, go under Learn and Support, and kind of the third option down is Find a QuickBooks Expert, which will take you through the same thing. So if you're in Europe, South America, in Eurasia, wherever it is, take a look around. You'll find this, and you'll be able to get onto the ProAdvisor program, which I would highly recommend. And that's that. So what I'd like to do is offer you a 30-day free trial from Bookkeeping Automation or entermyinvoice.com. What we do is we shrink that accounts payable manual process data entry down to 50 to 80% typically, which gives you more time and makes you more profitable. So you can go to our website and find out more. And if you want more bookkeeping marketing tips and tricks, Same thing, bookkeepingautomation.com, and click on our vlog button up at the top. I'm releasing weekly bookkeeper and accounting marketing tips. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.